Well guys, with February officially over, we are 100 days away from the beginning of the Hot Rod Power Tour. And this year, we are celebrating the 100th year anniversary of Route 66. So to kick the tour off, we are starting at Route 66 Dragway in Joliet, Illinois. I'm taking the 1979 Firebird again this year. I've done some modifications to it. I have a few more things that I need to get done before we're actually ready for the tour. But the car's pretty much ready to go. And with 100 days left until the start, I can't wait to get out there and hit the open road. Not only do I plan on taking this car on the Hot Rod Power Tour, I have to get back to Iowa in order to make it to Six Summer the week after Power Tour. So my June is going to be action-packed, and I plan on going back on Route 66 a couple more times this year, including I'm already signed up to do the Drag and Drive event for 666 in the fall. This year is going to be a record-breaking year for the Hot Rod Power Tour. I can't believe how fast the tickets are disappearing. Hot Rod Power Tour went on sale with the tickets for Gold and Platinum, and I think they were sold out within the first hour. And I think it only took 11 days to sell out of the long hauler tickets. And I think this is the first year I can remember them selling out of the multi-day passes. They're currently down to only having the single day passes left, which, yeah, the number of people that I've seen on the Facebook pages saying that this is their first year going, I think this is going to be just a absolute insane party. There's going to be a lot of cars this year. So with that, I am a little concerned that Route 66 almost seems like something that you want to travel in a smaller group so you can actually experience some of the smaller areas and get photographs. So I have the intention of driving it several times this year, not only with large groups, but I think I'm going to go out and do some traveling on my own rather than trying to everybody squeeze into the same parking lot to get the same photograph of the wall or one of the men, the muffler men, I think they call them. I know there's some really scenic shots that I really want to get with my car, and I'm afraid if on Power Tour, there's going to be so many of us that there's not going to be that many opportunities for people to pull over and get those pictures. Well, I'm definitely counting down the days till the weather gets warm enough that I can start taking my car out and driving it again. I had an absolute blast last year taking it around and filming all the drag and drive events that I went to. And this year, I plan to do a lot more of that. I've learned a lot doing YouTube over the last couple of years, and I kind of have a much better idea of what I need to do for footage to actually get things that people are going to want to watch. And that is my goal for 2026. Is to be able to bring you guys better footage from a lot of the events that I travel to. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and if you're going on the Power Tour or if you ever thought about going, make a comment down in the comment section. We're doing great with the channel. We broke through 12,000 subscribers, and yeah, I'm absolutely excited for what the future holds. And for sure, Route 66 is 100% my plan for this year. The Rat Rod Tour is another thing that I plan on doing that I didn't mention. I haven't quite figured out the logistics on exactly what I'm going to take yet. This year I had planned on doing a 1940 Ford and having an older vehicle. Plans change. We're taking the Firebird again. I have an absolute adventure-packed summer planned that I plan to take you all along for.